a place called Waldoboro, Maine. And Waldoboro obviously is a German name, and I am here at a famous sauerkraut inn. What do they call this entire place?
We're MORSE'S sauerkraut, but over the years, we started out as just a farm stand that made sauerkraut that was available seasonally a little over 100 years ago. And then in the last 30 years, it's sort of grown into being a full Euro deli. So we have imported cheeses and cured meats from all across Northern Europe, as well as a selection of food for just people who love to cook. So we've got everything from tinned fish to Asian specialties in fish sauce, gochujang, and things from all over Italy.
And that's your famous deli over here. And as we can see, we have a line here. It's Saturday afternoon. They are open from, is it 8 till 4 today?
No, 10 to 4, Tuesday through Saturday.
Okay.
We've definitely changed things up a little bit due to COVID, as everyone has.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically you can come in here and just get your things now. Whatever you want to get, like your bratwurst and your kraut, and you make your own sandwiches.
We just do grab and go sandwiches these days, but we source sausages and kielbasas and all different types of specialty food from different makers across the United States. So we try to work with really authentic makers of sausages to really capture those European flavors that people remember from their childhood. And we work with a lot of cheesemakers in the Alps. We're part of an Adopt an Alp program, so we get some really special alpine cheeses that are continued to be made in the traditional way up in the top of the Alps. Those will start coming in here in October. And we'll also, in the next few weeks, all of our holiday stuff will start arriving. So
you're open all year round.
We're open year round. We do a really big. We do Christmas pretty big here. We get a lot of really fun Lebkuchen and Stollen and specialty pastries from Europe.
Oh, that
so
sounds
people come from all over. Yeah.
What I want to get straight here for all the listeners is when they come and visit here, and definitely get your things and make sure you have your coolers.
Yes.
What we need to know is this is to go right now, right? Your food is to go right now.
Oh, we're not making
sandwiches.
We're not making any food to go. We're not making anything to order. A lot of the restaurant favorites that we used to do in the restaurant, like the schnitzel and the kraut balls and the Jaeger sauce and the mac and cheese, we're doing as take and bakes now. So we have them. We're still preparing them the same way, but you have to take them home and cook them yourself.
That's what I need to get straight.
Yeah,
and then you have a restaurant here?
We used to, but we closed it at the beginning of COVID. So there was a restaurant here. We had a restaurant here for about 15 years. I ran it for the past 8 years.
It was a lot of work, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, but it was really fun. It was really fun, and it was really well loved. It was hard. It was a really hard decision to let it go, but it really, the decision was sort of taken out of our hands because of everything going on. So we just kind of rolled with it.
What's your full name, please?
My name is CODY LaMontagne.
Okay, it is a pleasure meeting you.
Lovely
I'm Deborah
to meet you
K.
as well.
Levi, Get With The Program, former Yale Radio, and to the Get With The Program show on internet. And I'm here to buy some items and fill the cooler to bring it home to Connecticut. And it's been a pleasure. I think you're a very hard worker.
Thank you.
And what nationality, may I ask, are you?
Oh, I am very much an American mutt. My mother is a Cherokee Indian, Sioux Indian, Irish, and Italian. And my father is French and Portuguese.
That's why you're a beautiful woman?
So I would say a little bit of everything.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a serious combination.
Yeah.
That's a buffet of cultures.
Buffet of cultures, for sure.
Okay, nice meeting you, and
Nice
take
meeting
care.
you as
Thanks
well.
for the interview.